After West Bengal polling ended, I-PAC co-founder has got a bail. This is what we have learned. Delhi's Patiala House Court has granted bail to I-PAC co-founder Vinesh Chandel, noting no opposition from ED to the bail application in the money laundering case. This is the big news that we are getting for you. Patiala House Court in Delhi has granted regular bail to Vinesh Chandel, director of political consultancy firm Indian Political Action Committee or I-PAC, who was in fact arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on 13th of April in an alleged money laundering case. This is a big development that has taken place. Deepankar as well as Bhavtosh joining us live right now for more on this. Deepankar, to you first, tell us what happened in the courtroom.
Well, yes, Vinesh Chandel had approached the Delhi Patiala House Court seeking regular bail in this money laundering case that was registered against him. And today, the counsel for ED appeared along with the investigating officer and submitted that they are not opposing the bail application that has been moved by Vinesh Chandel. The court also went on to note down the submission of the investigating officer in this entire case and noted that on the basis of voluntary cooperation that is being extended by Vinesh Chandel in this case, this bail is not being opposed by ED. Taking that into consideration, the court has now granted Vinesh Chandel bail on a personal bond of rupees 2 lakh and a surety amount of the same, and has imposed certain conditions like that he will not tamper with the evidence, he will not influence the witness, he will be always available whenever he will be called upon, he will join the investigation. All those conditions, all those generic conditions have been imposed. Right. But as of now, Vinesh Chandel has been granted bail in this entire case that was registered against him. Right.
Deepankar, stay on with us. Let me go across to Bhavtosh as well. Bhavtosh, now he was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on 13th of April in this alleged money laundering case. Now he's got a bail with conditions, but what is happening as far as this case and the investigation is concerned?
Hina, adding to what Deepankar has said, important development as far as I-PAC case is concerned. There are two cases that Enforcement Directorate is presently probing. One is the case that whose predicate offence has been registered by the Delhi police, and the second is the case that has been registered on the CBI FIR. Now, both the cases are presently being probed by the Enforcement Directorate. Vinesh Chandel was arrested in the FIR that was registered by the Delhi police, in which the total proceeds of crime were around 50 crore rupees. Now, the question is whether Vinesh Chandel will turn approver as far as the case is concerned. ED has already assured the Delhi High Court that fresh summons will be issued to Rishi Raj as well as Prateek Jain, who were in fact probed in the coal pilferage case. Now, both of them had said that they will join the investigation, but they will join the investigation in the ED's Calcutta zone office. They have in fact said that they would not like to appear before the ED's Delhi headquarters. ED on its part had said that I-PAC had signed bogus agreements with various shell companies, and they also have said that 50% of the money that I-PAC had received, they had received through legal means, but 50% of the money that they had received were received through illegal banking channels. Right. So their troubles are mounting primarily because of the fact that elections are now over, and it could be possible that in days to come, ED will be issuing summons to both Prateek Jain as well as Rishi Raj. Their premises have already been searched, and right. Rishi Raj was also given a notice, and his legal representative had joined the investigation, and right. Electronic dump was taken from his electronic gadgets that were earlier seized on the raids that were conducted on 1st of April.
Bhavtosh as well as Deepankar, requesting both of you to stay on with us. We have a reaction coming in from the advocate representing, the I-PAC co-founder, Vikas Pawa. Listen in to what he said.
We filed a regular bail few days back, and ED was supposed to file a reply. So yesterday they filed a reply, and they gave no objection for grant of bail, primarily on the ground that he has cooperated with the investigating agency, and he has given voluntary and purposeful cooperation. That is the language used by them. And he has also provided information and other data which they required during investigation. So statement was recorded of the investigating officer. No objection was given. Some conditions have been imposed. Conditions that he will cooperate with the investigating agency, come and join whenever he's called. He will not leave the country without permission of the court, and he will not influence the witnesses.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment, Bhavtosh as well as Deepankar, for your inputs on the story. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this big story developing right now. Let's